The FBI has sent out a directive to law enforcement agencies across the country to prepare for potential protests after weeks of violent protests, you'll recall, that followed the shooting.
And our Dave DeLozier has been looking into what other law enforcement agencies can learn from Ferguson. Dave?
Yeah, Mark and Susan, Ferguson has certainly become a case study for law enforcement. Police training programs have been looking at Ferguson to learn from the mistakes.
We try to give our students a kind of a historical and global perspective.
In the classroom at Madison College, law enforcement officers of the future are learning from the past.
The civil rights violence, the anti-war protests, incidents that happened here in Madison are all tools that we use and lessons that we use.
The lessons learned from years of history and the recent history of Ferguson, Missouri.
The case study is how the community and how the police department handled the incident immediately following the shooting.
Brian Landers is the chair of the Criminal Justice Department at Madison College. He says the lessons learned from Ferguson predate the fatal shooting of Michael Brown.
And unfortunately, I think that this incident in Ferguson was years in the making.
Landers believes years of disconnect between the police and the community led to an immediate distrust when Brown was killed. What followed was born of that distrust.
Although they have to stop what's going on, people were getting hurt, property was being damaged, they have to use force to do that. Their failure occurred months, years, decades before.
Landers says the real lesson these students can take away from Ferguson is this: police officers need to do more than just make arrests. They need to be connected to the community.
The most important lesson is that every single police officer needs to take a good look at their patch and a good look at the badge and realize who employs them.
Now, Brian Landers says law enforcement agencies from around the country have been watching Ferguson very, very closely. And with National Guardsmen now on the streets of Ferguson, the next chapter of that lesson are about to be written. And Mark and Susan, it is very clear that law enforcement agencies from around the country have been paying attention. And that's very clear here in Madison, where Chief Koval has made it very clear that connecting with the community is job one.
It's been a teachable moment, what's happening in Ferguson. All right, thank you, Dave.
You bet.